So if two triangles are put over each other and they match exactly, then they are congruent. That's the way. Okay. So that's why it is true. Next. Two segments with different lengths can be congruent. That's false. Say this. AB and BC. These are two segments. Are they congruent? Different lengths. Not congruent. The measures of two congruent angles is always the same. That's true. See these two angles G and S. They can be put in any direction, but if the measures are equal, they are congruent. Objects which are exactly same are plane objects. That is false. See these two cubes. They are exactly same, but are they congruent? No. Are they plane figures? No, because these are solid objects. Your two hands, they are exactly same, but are they plane figures? No, they are solid objects. If all the corresponding angles in two triangles are congruent, then the triangles are congruent. False. See, these two angles, ABC and XYZ, all the angles are congruent. But are the angles congruent, triangles congruent? No, they are similar. This is a test for similarity. For congruency, there are only these 5 tests: SAS, SSS, SAS, ASA, AAS and RHS. These are the only 5 tests. Which of the following triangles are congruent by RHS theorem? RHS means right hypotenuse side theorem. Now for this, the name itself includes right, means right angle triangle. So all are right angle triangle. Okay. So they need to be congruent. Check which triangle has hypotenuse of 5. This A has 5. Then over here, yeah, this has 5. This D doesn't have. Now check A and C. One side is 3. 3. One side is 4, 4. Hypotenuse 5, 5. So that's why A and C are congruent. Okay. Very much important is for RHS the triangles should be right angles. That is very important condition. Download YoGuru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query for purchases. Keep studying. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have videos for that. To watch the videos further, kindly download YoGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.